All right, if you've been asking yourself how people actually succeed with myEcon, this video could be your roadmap. All right, it's not hype, and I know everybody always says that, but this is not hype and it's not theory. It's just a process. All right, before we talk about steps, let's define success. Success with myEcon doesn't start with income, it starts with understanding. The first step is to learn the platform. Step one to succeeding with myEcon is learn a platform. Don't rush, don't skip. Understanding how credit, taxes, debt, and income all work together. This step is where most people fail because they try to bypass it. Step two is critical. Follow one system, not 5 strategies, not constant switching. People who succeed with myEcon commit to one process and execute it consistently. Now, step three, you always hear everybody say this, but it is a very important step, right? Consistency, not intensity. Small actions done repeatedly over time will always beat big actions done occasionally. This is how you build momentum. And one of the most important steps, I think this is one of the most important steps, step four. I know this maybe should be step one. I don't know, but managing expectations. This is what keeps people from quitting. Manage your expectation. Listen, income follows skill. Skill follows repetition. myEcon rewards patience more than urgency. And listen, step five, stay connected. Most of the time when I see people quit, it's because they isolated themselves. People who succeed with myEcon are always connected. They don't isolate yourself. Stay connected, ask questions, attend trainings, and don't disappear when things feel unfamiliar. I know it sounds cheesy, but get out of your comfort zone. I mean, this is what you want. If you want success, if you want to actually build income online, reliable income online, you're going to need to build a foundation. You're going to need to get out of your comfort zone. You're going to need to stay connected and ask questions. Ask them by email. You don't have to talk to me. You don't have to get on a phone with me. Ask them by text. Ask your questions by email. Sometimes I hold trainings with everybody. Sometimes I find more people open up more and ask questions more if it's just one-on-one. So it's whatever you want to do. I am here for your success. All right. Success with myEcon usually looks boring from the outside, but powerful over time. Clarity replaces confusion. Confidence replaces hesitation, and income becomes predictable, reliable. So who this process is for? This process works for people that want structure, education, and are willing to follow steps instead of chasing shortcuts, instead of chasing hype. So if you're researching myEcon, this is why watching this full series matters. Each video answers a different question in the process. That's why I've broken these up into short little videos instead of 1 hour-long video explaining myEcon. Short little videos that answer your questions, the most searched questions about myEcon. That's what I'm making this whole series for. All right. So if you want to learn more about me, my team, all the bonuses that you get to actually get started with myEcon, and the multiple income streams that I will show you how to set up, very simple. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.